What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Black Cloud. Guess what? Today we're going to be working on Kazumi's Death Stalker, and it's his 68 Camaro. Now, it has on it a chin spoiler, stock chin spoiler, that is actually modified just a little bit because it was actually put on the front of a TE72 Corolla wagon, so it was cut and narrowed. So this little tiny lip right here, we're taking that off. And then also, we are going to take off the rear wing. All right, now that's a stock 68 Camaro wing, and we're taking that off. You know why? Because we're going to put on the Vengeance Aero kit, the Vengeance Streetfighter Aero kit. The chin spoiler, rear wing, and what does it look like? It's the same as right here on Vendettas, and the same thing on Stormy right here. You know what I mean? So what does it look like? It's basically a chin spoiler that's the same depth as the stock spoiler as far as down goes, right? But it goes forward. It actually goes forward. And the rear wing, so actually you can kind of see with Stormy's right there, kind of adjust you a little bit so you can see. Yeah, so it doesn't go much deeper, it goes much more further. You get what I'm saying? So that's the chin spoiler, and the rear wing is like this. Let's see if I can. I gotta angle you right there. So it goes higher. So if I remember correctly, it's like 6 to 7 inches higher. No, not 67. 67. 6 inches or 7 inches in total from base to full height. I think it was 7. And the stock one right there, it's like 4 or something like that. So it's significantly bigger, significantly taller, and Kazumi's Camaro is gonna get that treatment. So yeah, I can't wait, because we already did a whole bunch of work to this car to make it you know, a little bit more aggressive. And we did the engine swap, we put a 406 in it, we put the 4-speed in it, and even I painted it with this with the 2-stage flat black paint on it. And right now it's like, okay, time to do some things to match the aggressiveness of the way this thing kind of already is. Let's make it even more aggressive by putting some more jaw to it, a little bit more jaw, a little bit of Marlon Brando, let it stick out from the bottom, and then some rear downforce. Now all of that helps. So stick with me. I'm gonna put y'all on speed and watch how the installation changed the whole look. Peace. And just like that, now you got the rear wing on. So time to go to the front. All right, so this right here is the stock 67 Camaro chin spoiler that was modified. You can see in the crustiest way, we cut it in the middle and then zip tied it together because it was on an 80 Corolla. And we just wanted to have something down there in the bottom But now this, it's history.